Okay, I'm heading out for another job. Sounds like a new opener, or I can't even remember. I wrote down bring opener. For some reason, I think it's a broken spring. Sounded like one. Anyway, all you guys that have signed up for the course, want to thank you very much for that. All you guys that are wondering if you should do it, not going to make any money doing that. When we get to the job, we'll come back on, talk more about it, and see what we can do. Hello. Good, how are you?
Good. Thanks for coming on Saturday.
That heather's sagging on there.
Don't trip on this molding.
Well, I'm not tripping.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
Well, your springs are back here.
Yeah.
They're not broken there. He said something about, he talked about a new opener or
The
something?
motor. I think it's the motor.
Okay, oh yeah, that's an old opener.
Hi.
Did you
Hi,
already
how you doing?
open it? Oh, but you. And then it stops. Please.
That's probably a capacitor.
7 of them.
Your motherboard, I can tell you, is stuck together. They have 3 relays in there. One for the light,
Yeah.
and then there's one on when it hits the limit switches, it tells it what direction it goes. And I can tell by now, just by pushing this, I can push it 3 or 4 times, it doesn't do it. And it's not responding when I push it.
Yeah.
Takes a bunch to push
Well,
it.
one thing.
And that would work every time?
I looked at it back, yeah.
Okay, because maybe it's that then. Let me try this switch here. Still stopping. So what keeps it on from when you push it to when it goes off is the capacitor. So it's either going to be the motherboard or the capacitor on the inside. And have you had any power failures? When you do, and the power hits these plugs, they come in at more than the 110, and they blow out parts in there. Good old opener, so it was a Genie, but it was a Blue Max. And it was made just for the contractors, like it was a budget one.
Long story short, this thing's history, right? Is that what you're
Yeah, it's not worth fixing. The new ones are completely different than this.
saying? Okay, and
Something we have to order. You order.
No, we actually
Oh,
have
you
it on the truck. We can do
okay.
it if you want to do it. The thing on these new openers, you can't have 2 buttons. Anything besides what it comes with, like the wall buttons, has to be wireless. So you could put a remote here on one side,
Only
but you can't
one.
have 2 wires going in. You can't have another source of power coming
Okay.
in. It has to be one circulating all the way through the cameras and everything. If you do it, it'll open for no reason and it'll do weird stuff.
this is an antique, and you can take pictures of it. So I'll tell you what, I'll sell it to you.
No, actually, I like the way the spring is set up. I actually did that.
My dad was a Chevy dealer for 25 years. And,
2 days ago, I heard from some guy taking this one down. I already got the front of it off. Installing this one on the ground. $15.95 we got for this job. Should take us under an hour to do the whole thing. Okay, let me know when you're ready. Okay, here, the opener's in. Here's the spring right here. Look up here. The springs are here instead of above the door. And the motor's up here above the spring. And the cables and drums are over here. This is low headroom to the rear. They did this because, I'll show you, because of these pipes up in here. All right. Okay, that's what we just got for the garage door opener. It took us a little longer because they had these sensors at the bottom. They had the low headroom track. We had to build it out a little. So it took us about an hour and a half to do everything. And we're on our way to the next one. Getting another call. So if you work for yourself and you make a lot more money a lot quicker, take it or leave it. And the garage door business is definitely on the top of the list of making that type of money. The money you can live on. Garage door business is a great business to get started in. Anyway, guys that are interested in doing garage doors, garage door repairs, we have a free lesson for you below. So click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe. If I were you, I would go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. To schedule a call, you'll probably talk to me and I'll talk to you and I'll tell you exactly what you got to do to get into business. I'll tell you how fast you can get into business. It's not a big drawn out thing. You can be making money very fast, day after day after day after day. Give us a call or sign up www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Over and out.